Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create your calling card on Android. So let's get started. First of all, open the phone dialer app. Then tap the three lines at the top left corner. After that, tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on calling cards. Here you will see two options. The first one is your calling card. This lets you customize how you will appear to others when you receiving calls. Here you tap on create next to your calling card. Now choose your Google account or email address and then tap on continue. After that, tap on gallery to select a photo from your phone. Now choose a photo you would like to use for your calling card. Then tap on done. Now adjust and crop the photo if needed. After that, choose your preferred text font and color for your calling card. Once you have finished customizing the text, tap on done. Now tap the drop down arrow to choose who can see your calling card. Here you can choose between only your contacts or everyone that you talk to. Select your preferred option and then tap on done. That's it. Your calling card is now ready to use. And you will also see another option called contact calling card. This lets you choose how your contacts appear when they call you. You can set it up by following the same process. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.